So finally, we feel that it's not only important to give users insights into the MRF data so you can see that rate information, but we also want to give users some insight into the quality of data itself. This information that these payers are providing, it is new. We go through an extensive quality control process during our starting from just the initial downloads all the way through our ETL into loading into the product, but we also want to give our clients the ability to explore that themselves. So we are starting to roll out a number of summary reports where you can see, let's take a very basic report, let's say by state, and I'm going to look at just Blue Cross Blue Shield Massachusetts. And I want to see the number of records from Blue Cross Blue Shield Massachusetts, how many MRF records or how many providers I have by state. So I can see, of course, Blue Cross Blue Shield Massachusetts, I would expect the vast majority of my records to be within Massachusetts itself. Of course, we are going to have rates within other states as well, as those would be included, of course, in the Blue Cross network. But you get the idea if I'm looking at this information at a code level or by providers, if I want to see this data broken down by, let's say, market type, network, even down to the file levels themselves. This is all part of our data quality check to identify any potential gaps in data. Some of those examples that Pete had mentioned earlier, where we've seen earlier, where payers, the number of providers has dropped about 90%. We identify those as upstream as possible in our data processing. And we alert our clients to those within our product releases. But we also want to make that information available within the product itself so you have as much confidence in the data as possible.